Innocence. Over time, tartar and plaque build up on the teeth, making them look yellow and unhealthy. A professional cleaning begins with specialized dental tools. The scaler is placed carefully along the gum line. The tartar is removed layer by layer in a painless motion. Gradually, the teeth begin to look cleaner.
A suction tool keeps the mouth clear and dry during cleaning. After scaling, polishing smooths the surface of each tooth.
The polishing paste removes stains and restores shine. Each tooth is treated carefully, one at a time. A gentle spray of water rinses away residue. Drying reveals the polished, smooth enamel surface. The gums are examined for signs of health and stability.
Flossing helps remove any debris left between the teeth.
This ensures no tartar remains in hard-to-reach areas. A fluoride gel is applied to strengthen enamel. A curing light helps the fluoride bond effectively.
The teeth already look visibly whiter and healthier.
Healthy gums support a bright smile.
Every tooth, even the back molars, is fully cleaned.
The final suction removes all remaining liquid.
The result is a fresh, healthy, confident smile.
Regular professional cleaning keeps your smile bright and your mouth healthy.